Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's June 14th, 2025, and it's about 7:15, and all the animals are wanting grain. Grandkids are playing with stuff in the golf cart, and these two escapees are having fun. Lisa's milking Bella. So a lot of chaos going on. The babies are back with their mama. Molly, keep your babies in there. So everyone's fed and watered, and this will be it for tonight. We gotta round up these grandkids, get them up to the house. We're having a lot of fun now. This has been a great day, great weather, a lot of family time, and a great Flag Day. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.